Hello, good morning, student. Today we will discuss some question regarding the chapter Environmental and Society. And describe in your own word what do you understand the term ecology का मतलब क्या है. ठीक है, ecology refer to the complex network of biological and physical system and process between the biotic and abiotic component of environment के बीच में जो physical and biological system के network है. It is responsible for the type of environment around living thing. Human are also constitute of ecology. Human beings जो है वो भी क्या है, constitute है, part है. Various physical feature like mountains, river, plains and ocean etc. with their unique flora and fauna form their own ecology. Ecology of a place is affected by interaction between its geography and hydrology. Flora and fauna of particular region adapt themselves according to its ecology. In order to survive, ecology of a place has an impact on the human living condition and lifestyle, food, clothing, occupation and culture of people of that place. ठीक है, तो ये हम कह सकते हैं इकोलॉजी क्या है, जो बायोटिक एबायोटिक के बीच में जो है नेटवर्क है. ठीक है, और इट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द टाइप्स ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल अराउंड लिविंग थिंग. ह्यूमन आर आल्सो कॉन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ इकोलॉजी. वाई इज इकोलॉजी लिमिटेड ओनली टू द फोर्स ऑफ नेचर. से ही क्यों इकोलॉजी जो है जुड़ी हुई है. Ecology is not limited to the force of nature, how it is gradually get modified by human action. Many sibling nature features and phenomena associated with the environment are also caused by human activity. For example, the change in climate because of global warming seems to be a natural process, but is an outcome of human activity. The conservation of soil and water, uses of pesticides and other man-made material in agriculture are also example of human transformation of nature. Artificial environment is prominently visible in cities in the form of built environment made from concrete, cement, brick, stone, glass and tar. Describe the two ways process by which social environment emerges. Social environment emerges as a system of two-way process in the form of interaction between biophysical ecology and human interaction. This can be explained as the shaping of human society by nature and shaping of nature by human society. For example, the soil fertility of Indo-Gangetic plain enables agriculture and sustains high density of population, while the arid and dry condition in Rajasthan barely support pastoral form of life. This represents the impact of nature on human life. Contrary to this, technological development like interaction of automobiles have had an impact on the landscape. Air pollution and global warming are example of impact of human activity on nature. Why and how the social organization shape the relation between environment and society. So, कैसे शेप देता है. सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन शेप द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन एनवायरनमेंट एंड सोसाइटी बिकॉज द रिलेशन ऑफ property determine the uses of natural resources. For example, there will be difference in the ownership of forest by environment and the private companies. This is because of them would have different purpose and aim out of these resources. Hence, the use of forest by both of them would be different. The ownership of natural resources also vary the division of labor. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज जो है उनका ऑनरशिप क्या डिवीजन लेबर पे भी डिपेंड करता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ लैंडलेस लेबर एंड वोमेन विद रिसोर्सेज वुड बी डिफरेंट दैन दैट ऑफ मैन बिकॉज वोमेन एक्सपीरियंस स्कैरसिटी ऑफ रिसोर्सेज मोर acutely in rural area as they have to go to fetch water and collect firewood without controlling the resources. Why is environment management a complex and huge task for society? Environment management is complex and huge task for society because sufficient information is not available for biophysical process to predict and control them. The relation between human and environment has become complex as industrialization has accelerated the extraction of resources. This has affected ecosystem in ways which were not possible earlier. The industrial management system are fragile and often vulnerable. This also gives rise to many environment problem and disaster like भोपाल गैस ट्रेजिडी आर कंसिस्ट ऑफ सच हैजार्ड्स. तो हम कह सकते हैं इन्वायरमेंट जो है इन्वायरमेंट मैनेजमेंट कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड ह्यूज टास्क फॉर सोसाइटी के लिए टास्क की है, ठीक है, मैनेज करना. वाई आर द सम ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर्म ऑफ पॉल्यूशन रिलेटेड एनवायरमेंट हैजार्ड्स. सम ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर्म ऑफ पॉल्यूशन रिलेटेड एनवायरमेंट हैजार्ड आर एज फॉर एयर पॉल्यूशन है, जैसे वाटर पॉल्यूशन है, नॉइस पॉल्यूशन. ये क्या करते हैं, हमको बुरी तरह से अफेक्ट करते हैं. इनको हमको कंट्रोल करना है, तभी हमारा इन्वायरमेंट सेफ रह सकता है. वाट आर द मेजर इन्वायरमेंटल एसोसिएशन विद रिसोर्सेज डेप्रिसिएशन. इन्वायरमेंटल इशू कौन कौन से हैं जो हमारे इन्वायरमेंट रिसोर्सेज डेप्रिसिएशन को एसोसिएट करते हैं इन्वायरमेंट से. द डेप्रिसिएशन रिसोर्सेज एसोसिएटेड विद द using of non-renewable natural resources. The major environmental issue as associated with resources depletion has the depletion of land and water resources, decline in groundwater level has caused an acute shortage of water all over India, particularly in the state of Haryana, Punjab and UP, with the growing demand of agriculture, industry and urban. The water shortage is one of the major problems faced by world today. The fertile soil of land also get destroyed due to erosion, water logging and sanitization and activity like production of brick. Depreciation of biodiversity habitat like forest, grassland and wetland is another major environment concern. This has been caused by expansion of area under agriculture. Many species of flora and fauna have been endangered by loss of biodiversity. This include the tiger population which is now threatened by declining number. ठीक है, इस तरीके से डेप्रिसिएशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज की वजह से इन्वायरमेंटल इशू की वजह से रिसोर्सेज का क्या हो रहा है, डेप्रिसिएशन कम हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो हमको इनको प्रयास करना चाहिए ताकि क्या हो, हम एग्जिस्ट कर सकें और ये रिसोर्सेज जो हैं सर्वाइव कर सकें. वाई इन्वायरमेंट प्रॉब्लम सिमिलरली सोशल प्रॉब्लम. कैसे सोशल प्रॉब्लम है, इन्वायरमेंट प्रॉब्लम आर सिमिलरली सोशल प्रॉब्लम as the way they affect different social group is associated with social inequality. This is because social status determines the extent to which a person is able to cope up with environment related problem. For example, in place like Gujarat, where water is scarce, the rich farmer invests in deep bore tube well to get underground water, whereas the poor farmer cannot afford to get tube well. The depletion of water is compounded when the rainfall as well as well of poorer farmer become dry. However, some environment problem like air pollution, loss of biodiversity are universal concern. Difference in perception exists over the constitution of public interest in terms of environment. This difference often results in decisions which hurt the interest of weaker groups and minority. For example, debates over construction of large dams and displacement of people. ओके, तो इस तरीके से कह सकते हैं इन्वायरमेंट प्रॉब्लम जो है सोशल प्रॉब्लम से किस तरीके से अफेक्ट कर रही है उसके बारे में देखा. अब व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सोशल इकोलॉजी हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू.